Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. SMPS stands for A. Switching mode power supply. B. Switch mode power system. C. System mode power station. D. None of the above. And the answer is switching mode power supply. Second question. Antivirus program or falls on category A. System software. B. Application software. C. Utility software. D. All of the above. And the answer is utility software. Third question. Which is not a basic type of computer? A. Supercomputer. B. Digital computer. C. Analog computer. D. Hybrid computer. And the answer is supercomputer. Fourth question. Linkage between the CPU and users is called A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Peripheral. D. Storage. And the answer is peripheral. Fifth question. The DVD is a /n disk. A. Magnetic. B. Semiconductor. C. Magneto-optical. D. Optical. And the answer is optical. Sixth question. The mnemonic code was used in A. First-generation language. B. Second-generation language. C. Third-generation language. D. Fourth-generation language. And the answer is second-generation language. Seventh question. Which will produce high graphic quality printout? A. Laser. B. Plotter. C. Dot matrix. D. Inkjet. And the answer is plotter. Eighth question. How many types of different devices that supported by USB port? A. 40. B. 65. C. 100. D. 127. And the answer is 127. Ninth question. Which one is the component of computer system? A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Humanware. D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 10th question. What is the name for parallel communication pathway that connects different hardware components physically into computer system? A. Cable. B. Line. C. Bus. D. Peripheral. And the answer is bus. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.